IBPS, POSO, SSC, CGL, RBI, and LAC exams. Number 1. Articles a and the. What is an article? Articles come before a noun. Structure, open quote, article plus adjective noun, close quote. Examples, a good boy, an honest man, the best student. A user before a consonant sound. Examples, a boy, a girl, a pen, a university sounds like you. A European sounds like notice, and university
ఏ అనేది కాన్సనెంట్స్ ముందర వస్తుంది, ఓవెల్స్ ముందర రాదు.
a university. Why? Because pronunciation starts with you, not you, and use and before a vowel sound. Examples, an apple, an egg, an orange, an umbrella. Also, an hour, an honest man. Why? H is silent. Pronunciation hour, equal are honest. Onst. The used when something is specific. Examples, close the door. The sun rises in the east. 2. Noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or idea. Examples, person, Ram place, Hyderabad, thing, book idea, honesty, sentence, Ram bought a book. Ram 3. Pronoun. A pronoun replaces a noun. Instead of Ram is studying, Ram is intelligent. We write Ram is studying. He is intelligent. He replaces Ram. Now 4. Verb. A verb tells the action. Examples, eat, sleep, write, play, go, run, sentence. She writes a letter. Verb equals writes. Without a verb, a sentence is incomplete. 5. Verb forms. Every verb has forms. V1, V2, V3, go, went, gone, eat, ate, eaten, write, wrote, written, see, saw, seen, remember. V1, present, pretend. V3, perfect, passive. V, perfect, passive. Number 6. Why after do comes V1? Rule, open quote, do, does, did, plus V1, close quote. Examples, I do work. He does play, she did study. Wrong, he does plays, he does played. Why? Because does already shows the tense. The main verb stays in. Number 7. Why after have comes V3? Rule, open quote. Has, have, had plus V3, close quote. Examples, he has gone, she has eaten, they have completed. Wrong, has went, has ate. Now 8. 8. Why IFR comes ing. Present continuous formula subject plus M is R plus V1 plus ing. Examples, I am reading, she is dancing, they are playing. Wrong, she is dance. Number 9. Adjective. An adjective describes a noun. Examples, beautiful girl, smart student, vast forest. Sense, he is a smart student. Smart tells us about the student. Number 10. Adverb. Adverbs describe verbs. Examples, he runs quickly. She sings beautifully. Quickly tells us how he runs. Difference, beautiful, adjective, beautifully, adverb. Examples, she is beautiful. She sings beautifully. And number 11. Preposition shows position or relationship. Examples, in, on, at, by, with, form, sentence. The book is on the table. Important rule, after a preposition, use noun or verb plus ing. Examples, after eating, before going, without studying. Wrong, after eat. 12. Conjunction joins two sentences. Examples, and but, because, although, or. Example, I studied hard but failed. But joins two ideas. 13. Subject. The doer of the action. Example, Ram plays cricket. Subject equals robject, receives the action. Ram plays cricket. Object equals cricket. Number 15. Passive voice, active. Ram wrote the letter. Passive. The letter was written by Ram. Formula B verb. V3 examples is completed. Was written. Has been finished. Number 16. Collocation. Very important. Collocation means words that naturally go together in English. For example, we say make a decision. We don't say do a decision. More examples. Take a break, make a break. Pay attention. Give attention. Heavy rain, strong rain. Competitive exams test these combinations because they sound natural to fluent speakers. Number 17. Tense summary. Present, I eat. Past, I ate. Future, I will eat. Continuous, I'm eating. Perfect, I have eaten. Number 18. Golden rules for exams before, after. An, singular noun, the specific noun. To V1, do, does, did. V1 has, have, had. V3M is are. V1 or adjective was, were. V1 or adjective can, could, will, should, may. V1 preposition, noun, pronoun. V1 plus an adjective, noun, adverb, verb, adjective, adverb. One of the. Plural noun, every, each. Singular noun, many. Plural noun, much. Uncountable noun, between two, among. More than two. Example from your question. Open quote. The interests of both parties may not be identical, but they do overlap considerably. Close quote. Break it down. The article interests, noun, of preposition, both determiner, parties, noun, may, modal verb, not, adv, verb, identical, adjective, but, conjunction, they, pronoun, do, auxiliary, helping verb, overlap V1, base verb, because it follows do, considerably, adverb describes how much they overlap. This is exactly the kind of analysis that helps you solve fill-in-the-blanks and error detection questions quickly in bank exams. A good next step is to learn parts of speech thoroughly first, then tenses, then subject-verb agreement, and finally collocations. That sequence makes grammar much easier to understand. Modal verbs most important for SBIPO, IBPS POSO, SSC CGL. What are modal verbs? Modal verbs are helping verbs that express ability, permission, possibility, obligation, advice, request. The most common modal verbs are modal verb meaning example, can, ability, permission, I can swim, could, past ability, polite request, could you help me, may, permission, possibility, you may leave now, might, weak possibility, it might rain, will, future willingness, I will come, would, polite request, habit, would you open the door, shall, suggestion, future, shall we begin, should, advice, you should study, must, strong obligation, you must wear a helmet, ought, moral duty, advice, you ought to respect your parents, need, modal necessity, you need not worry, dare, courage, dare you speak, golden rule, modal verb V1, never use V2, V3, or eyeing immediately after a modal verb. I can go, she should study, they will come, I can went, she should studied, they will coming. Examples, ability, I can swim, he can drive, could you help me? May I come in? Might, possibility, it might rain today, I will finish my work. Would you like some tea? Shall we start? Should, advice, you should exercise daily. Must, you must obey the rules. Negative forms, cannot, can't, could not, couldn't, may not, might not, will not, won't, would not, wouldn't, should not, shouldn't, must not, mustn't. Examples, you mustn't smoke here, she shouldn't waste time. Question pattern in bank exams. Choose the correct sentence. 1, he can speak English. 2, he can speaks English. 3, he can spoke English. Why? Because can V1. Memory trick. Think of modal verbs as bosses. They always order the next verb to stay in its original form, V1. Modal plus V1 can go, could help, may come, might rain, will study, would like, shall begin, should work, must obey. Never, can went, should studied, will coming. This single rule is tested very frequently in fill-in-the-blanks, error detection, sentence improvement, and close tests in banking and SSC.